The committee started talking about Roundup. You were a speaker at a conference of farmers.
Yeah. And
okay.
I asked them what they were going to do.
Okay.
When Roundup Ready weeds showed up.
Yeah.
They said, "Oh, that won't happen in our lifetime." And I said, "Well, you might be right, but I think you're wrong."
I think you're wrong.
Why do you think we're wrong? I said, because that's the way it happens.
Yeah.
Some survive, and those that survive reproduce.
Yep.
And a high percent of those that are born from that reproduction are already resistant.
Exactly.
Or tolerant.
Yep.
And I said, so we start a race between the chemical companies and the pests.
And that's exactly what happened.
You know, what's going to happen first? Are the plants going to develop resistance, or the bugs or whatever we're trying to kill? Are they going to develop resistance faster, or are the chemical companies going to develop a new chemical faster?
And that's what they're trying.
Yeah.
But they'll never win.
But they kill,
everything.
For every,
I know.
Maybe if you
all around the world, we've lost 80% of the pollinators. The monarch butterflies, the bees, we've lost 80% of them. We'll be lucky if we don't lose them, if they don't stop.
Around here all doing
all have their stuff sprayed.
All doing their on the
but
lawn.
Thank God I have trees that protect my forest. Thank God. It purifies the air. Okay, you want to bring it into the... You want me to drive it, or do you want to carry it? Okay, thanks, Michael. Appreciate it. I know, Burke, it's awful. And I knew that all along, because when I saw their frankenweeds, they called it, and the farmer standing next to a 12-foot tall wild amaranth, which they don't even know in the Bible days was the best food because it was a complete protein. And here they're calling it the frankenweed because it's resisting their stupid chemicals. I was so mad, Burke. I thought these people are insane.
Yeah.
It's sad.
It probably is a frankenweed, but it's
But it's a God's gift smart plant.
Yeah.
And it's food. And they won't listen. I got to go help him.
Mother Nature
Thank you, Burke.
enough of those kinds of things without
us.
Without man doing more of it.
That's right. All we do is mess up everything, right?